Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Italian hypercar mastery with the jaw-dropping 2026 Pagani Virelio, a name that might be new to some, but destined to become legendary. Pagani has once again combined science, art, and raw power to create something that's not just a car, it's a sculpted machine of emotion and performance. Whether you're into bleeding-edge design, next-gen engineering, or the ultimate driving thrill, the Virelio demands attention. So, let's break it down and explore what makes the 2026 Virelio one of the most remarkable hypercars of its time. Body panels. The body panels of the 2026 Virelio are a masterclass in aerodynamics and aesthetics. Crafted from Pagani's proprietary carbon titanium HP62 material, the body is incredibly light yet extraordinarily strong. Every panel serves a function, whether it's channeling airflow, reducing lift, or cooling down mechanical components. Pagani has refined the surface details with active aerodynamic flaps integrated into the front and rear sections. These panels shift in real time based on speed and cornering forces to increase downforce or reduce drag. The body's lines are sculpturally not just aggressive, but elegant, reflecting founder Horacio Pagani's deep commitment to both engineering and artistry. Headlights. The headlights on the Virelio follow Pagani's signature quad-circle design, but with a sleeker, more futuristic interpretation. These fully LED units incorporate adaptive beam technology that changes light distribution based on speed, weather, and steering angle. The unique aspect here is the sculpted carbon fiber housing that frames each headlight, channeling air behind them for added brake cooling. Not only do they provide incredible visibility, but they also contribute to the car's aerodynamic efficiency and iconic front-end styling. Taillights. At the rear, the taillights are a symphony of design and function. Slim, blade-like LED strips arc across the rear deck, echoing the lines of jet turbines. These lights aren't just visually captivating, they're engineered for high visibility under intense speed or low visibility track conditions. The turn signals animate in a directional sweep, enhancing both safety and spectacle. Below them, the massive titanium exhaust cluster and active diffuser take center stage, with the taillights elegantly accentuating the Virelio's high-tech aggression. Grille. The front grille isn't just a design element, it's an integral part of the Virelio's cooling and airflow system. It features a 3D honeycomb structure crafted from forged aluminum and carbon fiber, allowing optimal air passage to the radiators and intercoolers while maintaining rigidity and minimizing weight. Integrated active flaps behind the grille can open or close to manage thermal loads during intense driving sessions. It's a beautifully engineered piece that merges style with a purpose-driven mission. Seats. Inside, the Virelio doesn't disappoint. The seats are ultra-light carbon fiber shells, dressed in exquisite Italian leather and Alcantara. Despite being designed for high-performance support, they're surprisingly comfortable, with customizable padding and electronically adjustable lumbar support. Pagani has even allowed bespoke tailoring for buyers, right down to embroidery, stitching, and material finish. These seats aren't just places to sit, they're wearable sculptures that hold you in place whether you're attacking a racetrack or cruising on the autostrada. Dashboard. The dashboard is a work of mechanical art. It blends analog craftsmanship with digital precision. Machined aluminum dials, exposed gear linkage, and intricately detailed toggle switches evoke a vintage aviation feel, yet are surrounded by a seamless carbon fiber and leather dashboard structure. The center console rises dramatically, housing climate and driving controls in a minimalist layout. Every element is handmade, and every material serves a function, nothing is here by accident. Infotainment system. Pagani isn't typically known for high-tech screens, but the Virelio features a subtle, retractable infotainment screen that remains hidden until summoned. This display is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and includes bespoke Pagani driving software with track telemetry, real-time aerodynamic feedback, and adaptive chassis settings. The interface is crisp and fast, and it doesn't overshadow the analog beauty of the cockpit. Even the audio system engineered by Sonos Fabre offers stunning clarity, though most owners may prefer the symphony of the engine behind them. Steering wheel. The steering wheel is an engineering marvel. Crafted from carbon fiber and aluminum, it's both feather-light and tactile. The shape is flat-bottomed for race ergonomics, while thumb grips and a leather-wrapped surface provide comfort and control. Integrated controls allow access to performance modes, infotainment, and telemetry without removing hands from the wheel. A small display within the wheel shows essential performance data like G-forces, tire temps, and boost levels so the driver always stays in command. Engine. Now, let's talk power. The 2026 Virelio is powered by a 6.0-liter twin-turbo V12 developed in collaboration with AMG, pushing out a breathtaking 900-plus horsepower and over 1,100 Nm of torque. The engine is hand-assembled and mounted mid-rear for optimal balance. What makes it unique is its responsiveness. There's virtually no turbo lag, and the throttle feels razor-sharp. The Virelio rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.6 seconds and can reach a top speed of over 230 miles per hour. It's mated to a 7-speed automated manual transmission with paddle shifters and rev matching, offering the raw engagement Pagani is known for. Hybrid option. For the first time in Pagani history, a hybrid powertrain is offered as an option. The Virelio Hybrid incorporates a compact electric motor paired to the rear axle, delivering an additional 200 horsepower of electric boost. This system allows for an electric-only mode for short distances, regenerative braking, and torque vectoring during high-speed cornering. It's not a plug-in hybrid but a performance hybrid designed purely to enhance driving dynamics and reduce emissions under load, adding performance without sacrificing soul. Airbags. Safety, though not the first word you associate with hypercars, is taken seriously in the Virelio. It features front, side, and curtain airbags, along with a carbon fiber monocoque chassis that offers unparalleled rigidity. The seats include integrated side impact protection, and the advanced restraint system is programmed to respond in milliseconds to dynamic impact data. This is a car that goes beyond just performance. It also works to protect its driver and passenger in worst-case scenarios. Parking assist. Yes, even a hypercar like the Virelio includes parking assist. Front and rear ultrasonic sensors, a 360-degree camera system, and a rear-view display make it easier to maneuver the low-slung beast in tight spaces. Adaptive guidance lines appear on the display to aid reverse maneuvers, and a proximity alert system helps prevent scratches on the flawless carbon fiber. Of course, most owners will probably have dedicated garages, but the system ensures confidence in any scenario. Price. Let's talk price. The 2026 Pagani Virelio starts at a jaw-dropping $3.4 million, and that's before personalization. But remember, Pagani doesn't just sell cars. They create rolling works of art, and every Virelio is bespoke. From custom paintwork to hand-stitched leather, forged wheels to personalized engraving, each one is tailored to its owner's imagination. With production rumored to be limited to just 99 units globally, exclusivity is baked into the price. And that wraps up our detailed tour of the 2026 Pagani Virelio, a car that defies convention, blends art and science, and sets a new bar for what a hypercar can be. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit like, subscribe for more exotic car content, and let us know in the comments if money were no object, would the Virelio be in your dream garage? Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay fast, stay curious, and keep dreaming.